how to create and publish a blog post in WordPress. We're going to be using the Baroque blueprint as our example in this video, but rest assured, if you're on any of our other blueprints, the process is going to be the exact same. And with that being said, I'm just going to switch tabs over here to the back end of the website to start adding these blogs. In our last video, we were in the theme settings tab talking about those global controllers for the website. In this video, we're going to be in the post tab to add these blog posts to the front end of the website. And when I'm ready to add a blog post, I can just click Add Post, and it will then take me to the editor of the blog. And now where it says Add Title, I can start building out my blog post. This is where my title will go. I will then just click down here where it says Type / to choose a block to start typing or writing out my content. In this video, I'll just use some lorem ipsum to build out this blog post. And now I have my title and my content, and it's almost ready to be published. There are a couple different things we can do here. Up here on the top left, we'll see this blue block inserter icon. When I click on this, we'll see all of these kind of modules or blocks we can start using. So we can add images, videos, audio, whatever it may be. But for this video, we'll just use a list. So let's say we want to use a list inside of our blog. I'm just going to drag this guy out of this little panel, and we'll see this blue separator popping up. And that's actually where this will be formatted inside the blog post. So let's just drop it right in between these two paragraphs. And this is where I can start building out my list item. And now let's say we've added some modules here. We've built out our blog post and we're happy with what it says. Now I can run over to this post tab on the right-hand side. And this is where I'm going to set my featured image at. The featured image is what that thumbnail will be on that blog page, and it'll also be displayed above your article on the blog page. So I'm just going to click this box. It'll take me to the media library, or we can upload new images from our computer. For this video, we'll just reuse an image we're using on the website, and I'll set it as my featured image. Now there's one more thing we can do before we publish it. We can start categorizing it. So I can just click any of these categories that I want it to be in, or alternatively, I can click this Add Category to add a new category. And once I build out my new category name or type my new category name, I can click Add Category, and it will auto-select that guy for me. And let's just put this one in candidate tips for right now. And so now I have my title, my content, my featured image, and I've categorized it. It is ready to be published to the front end of the website. So I'm just going to click Publish. I'll hit Publish once more. And now if I run over to the front end of the website, we will see, if I refresh, we'll see my new blog post in line here. My candidate tips, title, excerpt, and then we see I have a couple different categories in here: candidate tips, industry trends, and uncategorized. As you start building these out, all of these will be displayed in this tab system above. And once I click into that blog, we'll go to the single blog page where, again, we'll just see our category, our title, our content, and our featured image. And that's really it on how to add and publish blogs in WordPress. Once you're comfortable with creating posts, you'll be able to keep your site's content fresh and relevant for your users. Up next, we're going to be taking a look at the expertise section of the back end of the website, where you'll learn how to edit and add your core service or industry pages.